Hello everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic Tuesday. Thank you for joining me for my Try It Out Tuesday series. Now today I'm going to try out this stamp set. I've had this for a while, but I just haven't been able to try it out, so today was the perfect day for that. I love the little TV in here. I thought that was the cutest. I've never made a card with a TV stamp before, so I thought we'd give this a try. This is called Super Star from Jillibean Soup, and I'll leave links below to where you can check this out. It wasn't too expensive. And I just thought the TV was adorable, so we're going to make a cute, simple, easy card today. I'm going to grab that TV and place that on an acrylic block. Now what I like to do, since these stamps are rubber stamps, they're not photopolymer, they're, I always just rub them against my hand a little bit, and it'll help with the image. And sometimes if it doesn't give a crisp image the first time, if you were to go over it with some Versamark, it does well also. But anyway, I stamped my image on a piece of Neenah Classic Crest Solar White 80-pound cardstock here, and I am using my Copic markers to color them in. Simple coloring. I wanted to have the TV turquoise colors, so I'm just using three different shades of the blue greens that I have, and very easy, simple coloring. Once I have that done, I'm not going to worry about coloring the inside of the TV, because for today's card we're going to make a shaker card. Now this stamp set actually is made to be a shaker card. You could actually buy the inserts for the little TV, but I didn't have them, and I didn't purchase them actually, so I'm going to just create my own little shaker card without them. I'm taking the coordinating die that came in the set. Once my coloring is all done here, I die cut that out, and I think that looks so cute. Okay, I'm going to flip that over. We're going to create a shaker, like I said, so we're going to add some score tape behind here. Score tape is a great way to add acetate behind any shaker. It's a super strong sticky tape. I'm just using my craft pick, and I'm going to take the backing off of it. And then I had already cut out a small piece of acetate. That's going to go directly on that window there. I remember TVs like this. I don't know about you guys, but I remember the dials. Actually, when I had my very first apartment ever, I was so excited when I got to buy my first TV, and it had a dial. So that's what this reminded me of. But I cut out another TV with white cardstock. Now, since it does cut out that window, I decided to put that window back in its place, and then I'm going to just use some regular Scotch tape, and I'm going to tape that window back in place. That way it's a solid piece. Now that's going to go in the back of my shaker. I'm going to take some thin foam tape, and I'm going to wrap that around my window. I have a lot of you guys wanting to know where I get that foam tape from, and I'll leave a link below in the description area where I get that tape. It's wonderful for shakers. But I'm going to grab some star sequins, or actually these aren't even sequins, they're like confetti. And I'm not sure where I got these from, but they're a blue and a silver with two different sizes. I just placed some inside that window, and then I'm going to place the backing on my TV. And that's my cute little shaker. Love that. Now I wanted a wood grain background, and so this is a paper pad, old paper pad from my mind's eye. It's from the cut and paste collection, and so I grabbed a piece of the wood grain pattern paper that was in there, and I'm just going to trim it down to 2.5 inches by 5.5 inches. I just wanted to create a little bit of texture basically on my card base. For my card base today, I'm going to be using a standard A2 size black card base. And this is going to go to the right of my card here. I thought that'd be a perfect place to stamp my sentiment. And so I didn't rub this one against my hand, and I got lucky, it stamped well. So that was a good thing. I'm just using my VersaFine ink and stamping the sentiment. This sentiment says, "Newsflash, you're my favorite person," or "You're my favorite star. Oh, I thought that was so cute. I'm just going to place my TV on there. And then for a few bells and whistles, I'm going to grab 3 more of the little star confetti. And I'm just going to glue them to the top and bottom of my card base there. And then I'm going to take some glossy accents. And I'm going to go over the little knobs of my TV. Glossy accents will go on kind of cloudy, but it dries clear. Love that. And then just to give the TV frame around my shaker part a little bit of shimmer, I'm using a Jelly Roll Stardust pen. It is a concentrated silver glitter pen. Love this. So I just went around the inside square of my TV. And that's it. That's my card for today. Super simple and easy, but so cute. Brings me back to the day. I wish you a fantastic day, guys, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.